When people are evacuated from their homes, there's a number of precautions to consider prior to returning. My name's Jennifer Jacobson. I'm an environmental health officer with Interior Health. In this video, you'll learn some general precautions for returning home after flooding. There are 3 key aspects of safety to consider after a flood. They include food, drinking water, and sewage. Do not eat any food that may have come in contact with flood water. If in doubt, throw it out. This includes home canned foods, food items packaged in plastic, paper, cardboard, cloth, or any similar containers that may have come in contact with flood water. Washing, sanitizing, or cooking food may not destroy dangerous bacteria and chemical contaminants. Normal cooking temperatures may not be enough to destroy disease-causing microorganisms. Commercially produced canned food should only be opened and consumed after the label has been taken off and the can has been washed well in warm soapy water, then disinfected in a sanitizing mixture. Throw out boxed foods, fresh vegetables and fruit, bottled drinks, and home preserves. Throw out perishable foods that have been at temperatures above 4 degrees for more than 2 hours, such as meat, poultry, eggs, and dairy products. Previously opened bottled foods and drink products should be thrown out because it's very hard to clean under the caps. Unopened bottles with signs of seepage should also be discarded. Don't drink any water that may have been contaminated by the flood. Your drinking water source may need to be tested or treated prior to consumption. Some contaminants found in impacted water cannot be seen, tasted, or smelled, but can be harmful to your health. Do not use your sewage disposal system until you know it's capable of handling waste. If you think your septic system has been impacted by floodwaters, you may need to have it assessed by a registered on-site wastewater practitioner. During a flooding event, do not use your septic system if you think that it's been impacted by floodwaters. If you believe your home's been impacted by a flooding event, you need to contact a professional. This may include a restoration company, an electrician, a gas professional, or others who can assess your home and ensure it's safe to return. When you're cleaning up after a flood, it's very important to wash your hands often. Any items that have come in contact with floodwaters or been in the home need to be sanitized with bleach and water prior to using them. You can get more information about flood safety and returning home at interiorhealth.ca under the tab Your Environment.